National Electrical Code Section 517.13c addresses the wiring requirements for feeders to panel boards that supply branch circuits to patient care areas. According to this section, the wiring from the service equipment or from the source of a separately derived system to a panel board supplying branch circuits to patient care areas must be installed using specific wiring methods to ensure a high level of safety and reliability. The permissible wiring methods are rigid metal conduit, intermediate metal conduit, electrical metallic tubing, type MI cable, or type MC cable. Let's delve into each of these approved wiring methods. Firstly, rigid metal conduit, often abbreviated as RMC, is a heavy-duty, threaded steel conduit that provides excellent physical protection and serves as an equipment grounding conductor. Its robust construction makes it suitable for both exposed and concealed locations, offering superior resistance to impact and corrosion, especially when properly coated or made of corrosion-resistant materials. Secondly, intermediate metal conduit or IMC is a lighter weight alternative to RMC but still offers significant physical protection. Like RMC, it is a threaded steel conduit that can be used as an equipment grounding conductor. IMC is generally easier to work with due to its lighter weight while maintaining a high degree of durability. Thirdly, electrical metallic tubing, commonly referred to as EMT, is a thin-walled steel conduit that is not threaded but is joined using fittings. While it offers good protection for conductors, it is generally used in concealed or protected locations where it is not subject to severe physical damage. EMT can also serve as an equipment grounding conductor when installed with appropriate fittings. Fourthly, type MI cable or mineral insulated cable consists of copper conductors insulated with a mineral insulation such as magnesium oxide and enclosed in a seamless copper sheath. This type of cable is highly resistant to fire, moisture, and physical damage, making it suitable for critical applications where reliability is paramount. Type MI cable also serves as an equipment grounding conductor. Fifthly, type MC cable or metal-clad cable consists of insulated conductors enclosed in a flexible metallic sheath. The sheath provides physical protection to the conductors, and the cable assembly often includes a separate grounding conductor or utilizes the metallic sheath as an equipment grounding conductor, provided it meets specific requirements outlined in the NEC. Understanding the specific requirements for each of these wiring methods is crucial for ensuring compliance with the National Electrical Code and maintaining a safe electrical system in patient care areas. The NEC mandates these specific wiring methods to minimize the risk of electrical failures that could compromise patient safety. These wiring methods offer enhanced protection against physical damage, fire, and electrical interference, all of which are critical in healthcare environments. The selection of an appropriate wiring method depends on various factors, including the specific installation environment, the level of physical protection required, and local code requirements. For instance, in areas where the wiring is exposed to potential physical damage, rigid metal conduit or intermediate metal conduit might be preferred. In contrast, in concealed locations where flexibility is needed, electrical metallic tubing or metal-clad cable could be suitable choices. Mineral insulated cable is often selected for its superior fire resistance and durability in critical applications. It is important to consult with a qualified electrical engineer or contractor to determine the most appropriate wiring method for a particular installation. They can assess the specific requirements of the project and ensure that the selected wiring method complies with all applicable codes and standards. Moreover, proper installation techniques are essential for maintaining the integrity and safety of the electrical system. This includes ensuring that all conduit and cable runs are properly supported, that fittings are securely tightened, and that grounding connections are properly made. Neglecting these details can compromise the effectiveness of the wiring method and increase the risk of electrical failures. It is also important to note that the National Electrical Code is updated periodically to reflect advancements in technology and changes in industry best practices. Therefore, it is essential to stay informed about the latest edition of the NEC and any local amendments that may apply. This ensures that electrical installations are always in compliance with the most current safety standards. In summary, when installing feeders to panel boards that supply branch circuits in patient care areas, adherence to National Electrical Code Section 517.13c is paramount. This section specifies the permissible wiring methods, which include rigid metal conduit, intermediate metal conduit, electrical metallic tubing type MI cable, and type MC cable. Selecting the appropriate wiring method and ensuring proper installation are crucial for maintaining a safe and reliable electrical system in these critical healthcare environments. Remember to consult with qualified professionals and stay updated on the latest code requirements to ensure compliance and patient safety. Non-metallic conduit, such as RNC, is not one of the wiring methods specified in NEC section 517.13c. Therefore, using RNC for the feeder to a panel board that supplies branch circuits to patient care areas is not permitted by the NEC.